Today we want to talk about LibreOffice Summer of Code, Google Summer of Code for 2020. And today we want to talk about Sarper Akdemir Project. Let's open. So the objective of this project was to add impress shape animations that use a real physics engine. We want to learn what Sarper have done in this project, in this 3 months project, and let's read the blog about this. We can find here details about the project, technical aspects, how the visualization of how the shape is seen in the 2D box. Also some technical details here, what have left to be done in this project, and his conclusion after finishing this project. Overall, working on this project was really fun. My plan is to keep hacking on LibreOffice and especially Impress from now on. So thank you for your work, and today in this episode we want to see what this project have done to LibreOffice. So let's see the Sarper Akdemir work, also with his mentors Thorsten Behrens, what they have developed for LibreOffice 7.1 version. So now let's see the effect here. Please remember that this is working just in version of LibreOffice 7.1. Now it's not a release version, so you have to wait for this version in order to test. This is a development LibreOffice now. You can see here the effect of this project. All the shapes here, the balls and square and so on, they are falling down, like affecting by gravity and affecting by one is moving because of another and so on. So you can change the point of where they are starting. You can see here I'm changing the angle from moving, so now everything will be slower. Now everything is so slow that the square is not moving. Let's change here down. So let's increase the line and let's make everything starting very slow. But a problem is I have not a 0 degree, but the balls are not moving down. So here it's something like a bug. The friction is not so big that they are not moving. So here could be made improvement. Let's increase a little bit in order to start. So now the balls are moving. Let's change this one in order to come much faster down there. So first the balls, after that these big shapes, and they are slowing down until they stop. The same thing again. Let's increase a little bit this speed. So now everything is going down. I have to move this ball because it's falling until the line, under the line. Okay, so nice effect. Let's try again. Everything is going down. Okay, let's see another combination now. It's working. Let's change something. After that, let's move this line. Okay, so a little bit up, and the same here. Let's see what is happening. Oops, the balls are too big. Now then they can go further. Let's change. Everything is going very well. Let's accelerate a little bit with a very right wall here. Okay, everything is working. Let's try something else. Here you can see the effect in category emphasis. Okay, now the objects are going to the left or right and coming back. Okay, shoot right and return, and shoot left and return. Let's apply the same effect to these small balls, and let's change the time to 10 seconds. Okay, now let's see the effect, and everything else have fall simulated. Very well, and after that everything is coming back. Let's play again. Okay, and come back. Let's play the same, but everything is down, and now the balls are just going to left and right and moving back from the point of the start. So let's move this one here and this one here. Let's play. Let's do again. Now let's change the place to start, and let's play. Okay. Now let's add some clouds. The same. The clouds are coming back to the original position. Let's see another effect. Okay, everything is falling down and this line is moving. And let's add the same to the text. So the first one is shoot to the right and coming back, and everything, the other text is falling down and stay there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.